let's talk about the 4 layers of teaching. The first layer is when the teacher demonstrates and gives verbal cues in the same time. When we start teaching, because we're used to practicing yoga, but we're not used to verbally guiding other students into the postures, it's easier for us to talk and demonstrate in the same time, because practicing the postures comes naturally, since we are first yoga practitioners and then yoga teachers. So the first level would go like this. Everybody come to the front of the mat. So then you, as a teacher, you go to the front of the mat. Bring the hands into Namaste in front of the chest. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, ground. Inhale, bring the arms up. Press the palms. Exhale, fold forward, bend the knees. Drop the head in. Inhale, halfway up. Extend your spine. Exhale, plant the hands. Step both feet back. Come to high plank position, and so on and so on. So in this layer of teaching, you demonstrate and you guide the students into the asanas in the same time, which is very, very tiring. Even doing half sun salutation, I got tired. Second layer is you demonstrate less. You just give them verbal instructions, but again, like in layer 1, you stay on your mat because this is your comfort zone. So the second layer would look something like this. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Inhale, halfway up. Extend your spine. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to high plank, align the shoulders over the wrists, and so on. So here, the teacher is a bit more confident, but not so much confident in order to step out of the mat. I am not having contact with the students, so actually I'm guiding them into the asanas, but I have no idea what they're doing. I'm looking at the floor. I'm kind of nervous with the hands. You can see that I'm not confident, right? So this would be the second layer. The third one would be, once you gain even more confidence, you guide the students into the asanas. You only demonstrate when you have to demonstrate, and you are very confident, and you start stepping away from your mat and walking among the students. This gives you more ability to observe what the students are doing. So this could look something like this. I don't have any students here, but imagine that there are some students. So I'm more confident. Maybe my position is like this. Inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, fold forward, draw the head in. Inhale, halfway up, extend your spine. Exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog, lift the heart. Exhale, hips up and back to downward facing dog. Stay and breathe. So you're walking off your mat, you're walking in between students, and you're observing them. So this was the third layer. The fourth one, which takes a couple of years, is you step off the mat, you give them verbal instructions, and you also add some hands-on adjustments, which of course are matching your verbal cues. So let's say that I have some students here and I guide them and I say, inhale, bring the arms up. Let's say the student is here. Exhale, fold forward. I ground the hips. I deepen the forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. I ground. I lengthen the spine. Exhale, step back to high plank. Inhale, upward facing dog. So I adjust the student. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, I adjust the student. So this would be the fourth layer or level of teaching. It takes some practice. In the beginning, we demo, then we start demo, but we stay on the mat. In the third one, we step off the mat and we walk in between the students. And in the fourth and the last one, you give verbal guidance and you also adjust the students while they're doing what you're telling them to do. Namaste.